Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to start our journey of 2024 May HL Physics Paper 2. Okay, question number 1 is here. Okay, it is about V4 under gravity. 28 meter from west. Okay, it is from west. Okay. So first question is about absence of air resistance. So the impact speed is 23 meter per second. So V4 under gravity. So you know acceleration is 9.81. So we have used the constant acceleration equation. V square equals U square plus 2AS. Substitute the number initially at rest. And the A is 9.81, right? The distance travel is 28 meter. Now it's your turn. Calculate the speed with one more accuracy. So V significant. Okay, your turn. Okay. Yes, you got it. Okay, so V is 23.4. It is essential because this is a song question. You have to show that you really did it, and then you say approximately is 23 meter per second. Excellent. Next one is about air resistance. This is a fast one, so the model is kV square. So we said that determine the units of K. So change the subject to K, right? Change the equation. Okay, so changes. So K equals F over V square. So straightforward. The units of K exactly follow this equation. So fundamental units, okay, so remember the equation force, okay, F equals MA, okay. So the units of force is kilogram meter per second square. And then for the speed, meter per second. So you write meter per second all square. Your turn again, okay, try to see what is the result. Well, then you got it. Excellent. So the unit is kilogram per meter. Well done. Last one that describe how the ball falls or reaches terminal speed. Terminal speed, I remember the theory. Okay, when the speed increases, frictional force, resistance force now is a capital F. Okay, F increases. So eventually F will catch up with the gravitational force. At this moment, the net force is 0. No more net force. So no more acceleration. So the body will keep falling down with this constant terminal speed. So you can say reaches, attains, or whatever reaches this terminal V. Okay. Remember, use your own vertical rate. Okay. We did it. Well done. Oh, I'm happy. Okay. So ready for question 2? See you.